it's Carol. I really should be editing, not making more videos, because I have 2 videos that I haven't finished editing, and I need to get them up. But I want to show you a few things that I bought. I finished the whole jar. I'm so proud of myself. These collagen capsules. They have collagen peptides, 1,800 milligrams. You're supposed to take 3, but if I take 1 a day, I'm happy. 2 a day. Just in the morning I take it, and they're grass-fed, pasture-raised. It's really good, and they very easy to swallow. That's the whole thing, and they don't make me sick. So they're capsules. They're not thick, chalky pills, you know. So Bio-Optimal. I'll put down a link for this. This is really good. I should show you. These pills are like coated with a dissolvable material. I got these ginger candy Chewies. This is zesty lemon citron, and they're only $3.49 in Marshalls. They're really delicious, and they help the nausea and the nagging sweet tooth. There's a few companies that make these. They're chewy and delicious, and they help with nausea. And I thought this was ginger flavor, but this is lemon, zesty lemon. Delicious, absolutely delicious. And 1 piece is 3 sugars. Not bad. Let me show you what I bought. Oh, there's some cards here from my kids. Oh, Mother's Day was so nice. We went to this beautiful restaurant. And it's just like, I thought I was in Tuscany. It was so fabulous. And it was big, and tables were big, and lots of families there. And it was just so nice. My son took my daughter and myself out. Her husband was working that day. My daughter and I went with him. My son picked me up in a white convertible and treated us like queens. I mean, you know, anything we wanted to eat, we ate. I'm still recuperating. So let me show you what I got in Marshalls. I am always drawn to this designer. This is the Rae Dunn cosmetic bag, and I forgot to show them that because they would have given me a discount. But this was only $9. I love these. These, like, I'll put my face machines, my cream for the night, my vitamins, and anything that I need to go to bed, and just put it on the bed and boop, 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 do everything. It says Rae Dunn in there. There's quite the market for Rae Dunn now, I tell you. I mean, plenty of times there's lines in front of Marshalls or TJ Maxx for Rae Dunn products. But I could see why. I just love the lettering, the simplicity, the cleanness of it. And it's a female-run company. This woman just started manufacturing these things. I don't know the whole story, but it is, Rae Dunn is a woman. Oh, those have been good. These are good sunglasses to wear. I've showed you these before. I have 2 more of these. I bought them because I was going to give away one. So, yeah, if you want a pair of these glasses, let me know down below. Just put a little sunglass emoji at the end of your comment, and I'll enter you into the random picker of YouTube, and I'll send you this plus a whole bunch of other goodies. Okay, so this will be a giveaway for that. Okay, so, oh, this is cute. Oh, I have a few cute things to show you. This is an eyebrow stamper. Okay, here's sponge, and the last one I got broke, so this vendor, oh, this is the broken one. This is the broken one. He sent me another one, this nice vendor. Okay, pretty, yeah, this was Amazon. And, okay, I told him to send me a lighter color, so he sent me this color. See? Oh, I can't wait to try it. But you have to use, so you've got a sponge, but you have to use, I'll show you. Oh, good, it's a screw-on. So you have to use these templates. They go on your eyebrow, and then you go boop, 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 boop. So we'll do this on camera one day, okay? Good. Look at this. Now I have a whole set of these, but sometimes they're in the washing machine, they're in the dishwasher. I have to put this link for you because these are the greatest spoons. Just don't get them in your garbage disposal because I've cracked a few. I used to have short ones like that. But when I tried these, I love these. I use them for ice cream. Fun to eat with. They're porcelain. Don't drop them and don't put them in the garbage disposal. But they are so nice. So elegant. Oh, they're great. And this time came in a box. I mean, I don't keep them in a box, but it came in a box. I thought that was good, so they didn't break. I got a pair of sneakers, white on white, 7.5, and I got them for $39 at Marshall's. Look at that. Fabulous. Perfect. That's what I like my foot to look like when they're in a sneaker. So I'm really happy with these. It's a good price. They're comfortable. Okay, and now I'll show you the other pair of shoes that I got. Okay, these are by DKNY, and I'll tell you all the reasons why I love them. First of all, they're washable. When I try on canvas sneakers, canvas shoes, I go, how am I going to keep them clean? At least this rubber, I will clean with a magic eraser. The top, the same, soap and water. Perfect. I love them. And they're size 7. Here it says DKNY. And in there. And this is so comfortable. It's a soft suede inside. And they're really cushy. They're really nice. Now, I bought them. As soon as I saw them, I go, oh my God, I need them. Because this looks like a shoe that I could wear with a knee-length skirt, a below-the-knee skirt, because I never know, what am I going to wear with a skirt? I'd have to wear a sandal, open toe or something, but if I don't want to, what else could I wear? This, I could wear it with leggings, with jeans, with shorts, with pants, you name it. I love them. I think they're great. Now, I wasn't sure if they were going to slip, so I bought these, and I'll put this link below. If your shoes ever slip off the back by the heel, try these. These really grab your heel, and your heel isn't going anywhere. They had a lot of padded, cushiony ones, but I could see your heel still slipping with that. But with this, because those little nubs of rubber, your heel's not going anywhere. And you put them inside like that. The only thing, it made the shoe tighter. So I don't know if I'm going to use them. Now, if I have trouble with the shoe slipping off, because when a shoe doesn't have a lace, that's my concern. And I usually wind up crushing the back, but I won't do that with this. What I will do is put a white elastic and tie it around my ankle. and that won't make it slip. So I love that it has this little loop, and just in case this doesn't work, I will put just a piece of thick 1/2 inch stretchy rope or elastic. Okay, and okay, so I returned the Nicole Miller hand weights that were $23, and I found these for $5.99 in Marshall's, and these are the sand weights that you put on your ankles, on your wrists or your ankles. So when I'm on the couch, I put them on my ankles, and then I just go up and down. And when I'm walking, I put them on my wrist, or when I'm sitting, I could do that. And these are by Nicole Miller also. They tighten up with Velcro, which is great. They're not loose. I can get them nice and tight. And the price is insane. $5.99. So that was a good find. I think next video will be this. Next video. That's a peek at my other goodies that I got. Can't wait to show you those. Okay, so that's it. I hope you had a wonderful day. I appreciate you being here for me. Know that I am here for you. And thank you for being here for me. And, okay, this is a giveaway. This is a giveaway, so I will be giving away a pair of these glasses and a bunch of other fabulous things I will put together for you. And I hope you have a great day, a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.